Have you ever started your car on a freezing morning only to have it stall out at the first stop sign or make a weird noise like a jet engine warming up? If your check engine light is on with a P2437 code, your secondary air injection system is struggling. This system is there to help your car warm up faster and cut down on emissions during those first few minutes after a cold start. The PCM, or Powertrain Control Module, kicks on an air pump to shove fresh air into the exhaust, which helps the catalyst get up to temperature quickly. There's a sensor on bank 2, the side without cylinder number 1, that monitors the airflow and pressure at the control cylinder. When that sensor sends back a voltage signal that is way too low, the computer flags it. A huge mistake people make is instantly replacing the expensive air pump without checking the simple stuff first. Start by checking the one-way check valve. This little part is supposed to let air flow in only one direction, but if it fails, moisture from the exhaust can crawl back into the pump. In really cold weather, that condensation turns into ice and can completely lock up the pump or ruin the sensor. Give all the wiring and connectors a thorough look, especially for any bare wires or pins that have corroded over time. You will want to use your vehicle info source to find the exact layout of the circuit and check every fuse and fusible link related to the air system. If the physical parts look okay, use your digital multimeter to do some continuity tests with the power off. You are looking for 0 ohms of resistance in the wires. If you find high resistance or no continuity at all, you have a broken or shorted wire somewhere in the harness. Most of the time, the fix is as simple as replacing a faulty check valve or cleaning up a dirty connector, so do not jump straight to the most expensive part. Clear the code and let the car sit until it is cold again to make sure the air injection cycle runs properly during the next startup, as that is the only way to truly verify the repair.